Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get an Excel certificate. First, understand that earning an Excel certification can significantly boost your professional profile and demonstrate your proficiency in data management and analysis. We will explore the various certification options, help you choose the best fit, and guide you through the preparation and examination process. This certification validates your skills, making you a more competitive candidate in today's job market. Microsoft provides a clear path for Excel certification, primarily through the Microsoft Office Specialist, or MOS program. The MOS Associate certification validates your foundational knowledge, covering essential functions like formulas, charts, and data organization. For those with more advanced skills, the MOS Expert certification proves your mastery of complex features, including pivot tables, macros, and advanced data analysis techniques. Choose the level that best matches your current expertise and career aspirations. Effective preparation is key to passing your Excel certification exam. Microsoft offers official study guides and practice tests that closely mirror the actual exam content. Dedicate time to hands-on practice, working through various scenarios and functions. Identify your weaker areas and concentrate your efforts there. Many reputable online platforms also provide comprehensive courses designed specifically for MOS certification, offering structured learning and additional practice opportunities to ensure you are fully prepared. Once you feel ready, register for your exam at a certified Pearson VUE testing center. On exam day, arrive early, well-rested, and confident in your preparation. After successfully passing, celebrate your accomplishment. Your Excel certification is a valuable asset. Be sure to update your resume, LinkedIn profile, and professional portfolios to highlight this achievement. This credential will open doors to new opportunities and demonstrate your commitment to professional development and data proficiency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.